Hey everybody, welcome back to Thursday's video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on all the products that we put on the Grom. I'll put that video link in the description. But just before we get started, I am now an Amazon affiliate, so that means that when you click on my links and go and buy these products, I get a portion of that, so you guys support the channel by buying these products. Even if you don't buy this product, if you still go through my link to Amazon and then go buy whatever you'd like, I get a portion of that as well. I don't know if it's the same percentage cut or if it's any different, but just so you guys know that I do get money from you guys going through my link and then buying whatever within 24 hours. So please don't forget to check out the links I have in the description for these items. If you think you would like these for the Grom or for your bike or whatever, they're kind of universal. So the first thing I'd like to talk about are the levers. These are MZS tuning levers. They are shorter than the stock levers by about an inch maybe. They are adjustable for your however big your hand is, whatever your preference is. I got these because they're a better fit for Revea and they are a bit shorter, so you can use just a couple fingers instead of all 5 without smashing your fingers. I love the color they're in. I forgot to install the little washer that they gave me in here, so I mean they are a little bit wobbly. But that's my fault. So if you install them correctly, they won't be. The color's great. You know, there's not really much I can say about the levers. They did. The clutch used to engage clear out here, and that's what was uncomfortable for Revea. And so now the clutch can engage clear in here to the inside. So it's a lot more comfortable for driving around, beginner riders. Great look, great style, great function. So that's the MZS tuning levers. Link is down in the description for those. So next I'd like to talk about the exhaust I bought. This is a Soto, I believe is how it's said, exhaust from Amazon. And it says it fit the Grom, but there was no place to mount it, so I had to get some big washers and mount it with some really big washers right here on the peg. Just the hole where the peg is. I don't have an issue with that because they do give you a bracket, so you can mount it wherever you need, because it's a more universal fit. I thought it was Grom specific, but it's universal. So just keep that in mind when you buy this product. It sounds great. It's a lot deeper and throatier. The last guy that had this just cut the exhaust off at the muffler, and so it was really high pitched and kind of annoying, but this gives it a really deep throaty sound. I did take the baffles out of it, and it is still very quiet. So I would really recommend this product. It's got a great look to it. The carbon fiber looks great. Just the style of it all. I'm gonna love when this starts to get heat on it and start to turn colors and everything. So I think it's a great product. It was really cheap. So if you guys are looking for a cheap alternative to your stock exhaust, I'd go with this one. So for the last 2 products, I'm going to do them together. This is the license plate holder. It actually comes with a light. I'm not exactly sure what the brand of this is or the light, but these will also be linked down below. They're from Amazon. Extremely cheap for modding your bike. I'm going kind of the budget route on this bike, so I'm looking for things that are cheap but are going to function well. And this one functions very well because it just holds the plate. And I did a custom mount off my 12 bar here, so it'll mount to your 2 frame mounts. You can buy it in a ton of different colors. I chose blue because that's what we got our levers in. So that's really all I can say for this. I haven't wired the light up yet. It's a license plate light that actually does flash when you hit the brake. And so I think that'll come in handy a lot when you're, braking and stuff in the nighttime and everything. But I'm not really out at night very much with this, so I haven't worried about that yet. But when the time comes, I will. And then also the brake. I'm not exactly sure what brand this is, but it is integrated. The blinkers are in the TailLight, and I ordered a pulsator from TST Industries with this, so it does pulse when I hit the brakes. Yours will not. Yours won't when you buy it from Amazon. But if you can see that, that's what happens there. And then the blinkers, of course. Are integrated. So this looks a lot better than the stock one. It functions well having the blinkers in there. The brake light still does come on. So there are those two products. Links in the description for all of these. Please go through those links, even if you don't end up buying one of these. I know that my family buys something from Amazon every day, so if you could, please just go through my link, and if you'd like to support the channel, go through my link and go buy whatever you need from Amazon. It's no extra charge to you. It's just I get a cut of that because I provided the link for you. So if you'd like to help the channel out, the easiest way to do that right now is to just go through Amazon and buy whatever you need, whatever you're looking for, whether it's diapers, Grom parts, bike parts, truck parts, just whatever you can think of, cameras, anything. So just go through my links, do that. I'll get a cut, and the money that from that will go towards the channel. So right now all this is coming out of pocket from me, and I can't buy very much. So if I got some money from affiliate marketing with Amazon, then I would be able to buy some bigger and better things for you. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Go check out those links and whatever else is on my channel that you want to see. Function Autosport video will be out on Monday, so stay tuned for that.